Hi all, welcome back to GTL Labs YouTube channel. Today we are diving into a fantastic tool that bridges the gap between your Outlook email and IFS CRM seamlessly. This is none other than IFS CRM Outlook Plugin. So as you can see here, I got an email from one of my clients regarding a sales inquiry. This particular customer has not been registered in the IFS database. Rather than going to the IFS application and creating a customer, we can use the IFS CRM panel to quickly register the customer. We can create business leads, prospects and customers using this plugin. Now I am logging into the CRM panel. As you can see it in here, you will see the contact information of the client. Now I will click on a new option and I will create a new customer. As I said earlier, I have the option to create business leads, prospects and customers from here. For the demonstration purpose, I will create a customer. I will add the company as KJI LLC. And default language as English. I am adding the country as Canada. These are the mandatory fields we needed. You will see the contact name and email information has been automatically fetched based on the sender's email. For the phone number, mobile and other information, you can insert or edit if needed based on the details received. The customer address information also you can fill from here. For the time being, I can just add the address information. I can add the city, state and all the address information based on the information received regarding the client. I will add email as a communication method for this customer. And if I click in here, I will be able to see the record in the IFS application as well. So I will click save and this particular customer has been created in the IFS applications. You will see the address information and all of those details here. If I click in here, you will see the account information and all other information relevant to this customer. Now I will move back to the Outlook client. I will try to create a business opportunity. In here, you will see the description coming as the email header description and the customer information already fetched now. I can add the currency now. The estimated value, let's say it is $2,000. We can specify the start date as well and the business type will be new. As the next step, we can update the probability of getting this. Let's say 75% for this. The opportunity type, let's say food and beverage. Then I will be able to see the data record in the IFS application. If I select this checkbox and I am clicking the save option now, in here you will see the respective business opportunity that has been created through the CRM plugin. You don't need to navigate to the IFS application all the time. You can just create the business opportunity from the Outlook plugin itself. Now what I will do is, I will create business activities as well. Based on the business requirements, users can click on create activity and create a business activity. Let's say I need to visit this customer. I can select the activity type as visit here and the respective dates I can select as well. If needed, I can create an Outlook appointment for this and then I can save the record. If I navigate to IFS application and search for the respective account, you will be able to see this information. I am navigating to the references section. You will see the respective business activity and the business opportunity that have been created. In summary, the IFS CRM Outlook plugin streamlines your workflow, improves customer management, and boosts the sales team productivity. If you are using IFS application and Outlook emails, this plugin is must-have tool in your collection. It helps you stay on top of your game while ensuring no details goes unnoticed. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to GTL Labs for more content like this. Do you have any thoughts or questions? Please share them in the comment section. We would like to hear from you.